Hey everyone, so I'm back with your lesson 4 anchor task. So this is Friday's lesson, and we are onto multiplying by 10, 100 and 1,000. If at any point you get confused by this, you can have a look at the video that I posted today, that's Thursday, where I explained the line method just on a whiteboard. So check that out if you get stuck at any point. So, as the other days, I'm going to read the anchor task through with you. Please have a go on your own, just like we would in class. Pause me and then come back and check out what you've done, okay? So, your anchor task is this. Each kitten, oh, let me get a pen ready. What's going on here? Let's have red today. So, each kitten has a mass of approximately 0.3 kilograms. What is the approximate mass of all the kittens in the basket? So they weigh approximately 0.3 kilograms. So that means about. Some might weigh slightly more, some might weigh slightly less, but around about 0.3 kilograms. Okay, so we need to calculate the mass of all 10 kittens. Now at this point, stop the video and have a go. I'm going to talk you through the supporting hands up here if you're a little bit stuck. So it says count the number of kittens first. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ridiculously cute kittens. So there are 10 of them. Okay. So what calculation would make sense? So I've got up here a little bar model to try and help you. We need to work out the total mass of all the kittens. There are 10 of them, so I've put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 equal little boxes, and they all have 0.3 in them, so each little box is a kitten. Now you could do here 0.3, add 0.3, add 0.3, and so on until you've done it 10 times. However, that is absolute madness. Someone just put a dojo point on for someone. That was interesting. That was what that noise was. So I am not going to do 0.3, add 0.3, 0.3. I am going to do the sensible thing of 0.3, and I'm going to times that by 10. Okay, so we're going on to our line method now. So I've not given myself a lot of space to do that in really. Let me just, where's my thing? I'm just going to move, oh, no, I'm not. Now, if you're in my class, you'll know that happens every day. I draw something on the smartboard in the wrong place, at least once. Right, I'm just going to shrink those kittens down a bit. So we've got 0.3 times by 10. So I'm just going to get my pen back up. In fact, let's be adventurous and change the colour. So we're timesing by 10. Everything is getting 10 times bigger. So that means we put one line. So 1, 0, 1 line. We are jumping every digit one place value column to the left. So our 0 here jumps one place, just in case you can't tell, into the ones column, and the 3 follows it over. You can put the decimal point there if you want, but essentially our answer is 3. Now it's not 3 monkeys, it's not 3 kittens, it is 3 kilograms. Okay, we'll just have a look at the little challenge then. When they were born, each kitten weighed approximately 0.15 kilograms. I'll underline the approximately as well. What was their total approximate mass when they were born? So about what did they weigh when they were born? We've still got our 10 kittens here. And I'm not going to do 0.15, add 0.15, add 0.15, add 0.15, and so on, because it is a waste of time. We're going to use the line method, and we're going to do 0.15, and we're going to multiply that by 10. So I'm going to put one line next to the 0. Now, like I said in the video about the line method earlier, and an email, like I said about the line method in the other video, try and line up everything as best you can. You might not have squared paper. Whatever you're doing the work on, just try and keep it lined up, okay? So this 0 then is the first thing that jumps. We jump the digit next to the line first. So the 0 is moving over here. Oops, sorry, I should have put the decimal point down underneath as well. The 1 is moving from the tenths column into the ones column. And the 5 just follows it along, so it goes from the hundredths into the tenths. It's got 10 times bigger. 5 tenths is 10 times bigger than 5 hundredths. So our answer then is 1.5. I can write it out without that 0 at the front in the tens column. We don't need that. And again, it's not 1.5 hippos. It's 1.5 kilograms. Okay, that is your anchor task. I'm going to move on into the guided section now, which is just a little bit more practice on multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000. So if you need any support, watch my next video. Thanks.